We're in the northeast of England, just outside Middlesbrough, and this is a £630,000 brand new detached home. But there's one detail at the end that changes everything. The home is over 2,500 square feet, so a pretty decent size. It has 4 double bedrooms and some of the best countryside views. It definitely feels like it should cost a lot more than what it does. Now out here you have this spacious block paved driveway. You also have a garage with electric controlled doors. But for me, the best thing about this development is how private it feels. There are only 4 homes here and each home has the same executive finish and definitely some great curb appeal. So I can't wait to show you around. Let's head on in and check it out. Welcome inside. Now, the first thing I am very impressed by is how premium it feels in here. The first thing I've noticed, and I'm sure you've noticed too, is this staircase, and what a feature that is. Definitely feels like it belongs in a more expensive home. So they've gone for these really nice black geometric style balusters, and they just add that real premium feel to this space and just really elevate it. Now also there's loads of natural light coming in, which is exactly what you want in your entrance hall. It feels spacious and welcoming, also thanks to those double height ceilings. Now on this floor you have got a formal lounge slash games room just to my left. Just on my right here we have some handy under the stairs storage, great use of space, and then also down here is a guest toilet, also very handy. But I'm very excited to show you the open plan spaces, so follow me. Okay, so this is what you call open plan living. It feels so light and bright in here, and it's perfectly set up for modern family living. So in here you have your living area, you have a dining area, and also one of my favorite kitchens. So let's go and explore that. This kitchen is the perfect example of modern country design done properly. I absolutely love this sage green colour. I think it's sage green. Let me know in the comments if you think it's a different colour, but to me it looks sage green. And I really like how it's complemented with those brass detailings, makes it feel that little bit more elevated and bespoke. Now, here on the New Build Show, we've seen a lot of different designs, a lot of different colours, and that's exactly what we love to do. Explore some of the very best new builds across the UK. So if you do have a development that you'd like more people to know about, get in touch with us on hello@thenewbuildshow.com and we could be touring your home next. But let's have a look at exactly what this kitchen offers. The layout of this kitchen is very practical. They've gone for this wraparound design, which keeps everything feeling open, but also maximizes storage. So just here on my right, you have the island, a very sociable feature and something that everyone wants in a modern family home. Definitely going to be well used, whether it's morning coffee, a glass of wine in the evening, really nice feature to have. And then all along the island is very handy storage. You've also got fully integrated appliances. So again, adding to that really clean design, you've got your induction hob just here. And then either side of here, you've also got those glass cabinets, which just mean you can display any nice items that you want to show. Now let's have a look further at the storage options. I have had a look in here earlier. Now this kitchen is bespoke, so they have really managed to maximize storage. Look how deep this cupboard is. You can definitely fit a good few of your items in here, which is exactly what you want in a kitchen. But my favorite part of this whole kitchen, and for me, what makes this home feel like it should be worth £1 million plus, look at this for a hidden pantry. I mean, this really ties in to that modern farmhouse style, and there is so much storage in there. It's looking pretty empty at the minute, but let's imagine this space with some wine bottles at the top. You've got some dry veg in those baskets below and your spices either side. I mean, what more could you need? If that part of the kitchen wasn't impressive enough, you've also got this other bespoke kitchen unit on this side. Now this has been positioned really nicely. So this is where your sink is. And at least, you know, if you're doing the washing up, you have got a little bit of a view to look out and some natural light coming in. Now on this side, you've got more storage underneath the sink. And this is also where your dishwasher is. Now this for me would be a great spot to place maybe your air fryer, your microwave, so you're not really in the main kitchen and it is a little bit out of the way. Now you may be wondering where the fridge is. There is a fridge in this section of the kitchen, but it's quite a small one, but will be ideal for hosting if you're having a bit of a party. That's where you could pop your beers and your wines. But the main fridge and freezer is just through here. Into your utility room. So there is your full height fridge and freezer. Nice to have that out of the way. And also more prep space here. And thinking about it, I'd probably actually put my air fryer in here, completely out of the way. Now this is finished to the exact same standard as the kitchen, but for me, one of those features again that makes this house feel a lot more expensive than what it is. This is the kind of thing you'd see in a really luxury house. So you've got these washer and dryers, but they're at eye level height. So again, it just makes everyday life so much easier. It's the small things like that that really make a difference. And also just behind me, you do have access through to your garage. Just off the kitchen, there's this really nice flow into the living areas. And then just here on my left is your dining table. Now this seats 8 people, so it really does show the scale of this room, and you can imagine having your family and friends over, and it works really well being right in front of those bifold doors because it brings in so much natural light, and this just feels like a really sociable space and perfect for hosting. Just off the dining area, you've got this more relaxed living space, and I could definitely see myself spending a lot of time on this sofa. And what's really great about this room is how well it would work for modern family life. So you can imagine a busy household, you've got the parents cooking in the kitchen, you've got maybe the younger child sat there doing some homework, and maybe the older teenager sat there scrolling through some TikTok. So separate zones, but everyone still feels connected. Those bifold doors lead out onto your garden, which is a pretty decent size. New build gardens do attract a lot of comments, but for me, I think this is pretty good. So you've got this lawn space, great if you have kids to do a bit of running around, but you've also got the patio space as well, which would be really nice in the summertime to have some furniture out here, maybe even a hot tub, and this would definitely be a great garden to host in. Now you do have 3 access points to get inside, so you can get in through the utility room. So if you come from a muddy dog walk, that would be ideal. You can also get in through those double doors just there. And of course, the bifold doors, which in the summer is just so nice to be able to have those open, and you really get that feel of indoor-outdoor living. Okay, back inside now, it's time to see the final room on this floor, which is the formal lounge. But before we head inside, just a moment of appreciation for these doors. Again, another one of those features which makes this home feel really premium, and I love how they've also added the brass detailing here. Let's go and have an explore. Now I think this room could equally be a reception room because it's such a great size. This is over 20 by 12 foot. But for me, the standout feature in here is that there is space for a fireplace. So if you do want to feed into that countryside feeling we've been getting throughout the home so far, that would work really nicely. And you can imagine how nice and cozy it would be in here in the winter time with the fire on. You can shut those doors, get away from the rest of the family and pop your favorite film on. Now it's also underfloor heated throughout this room, so it feels very nice and warm in here. Right, that's it for the ground floor. Now it's time to head upstairs and look at the 4 bedrooms. Welcome upstairs. So you'll notice we've switched to carpet up here. Feels a little bit more cozy, and standing here you can really see how expansive this space feels. You've got that skylight which floods this area with natural light, and I really do love this staircase. Feels very premium. Just here on my right there is some handy storage options, great for your suitcases, and there are 2 bedrooms up here that could actually be the principal suite. So first of all, let me show you this one. Now, if you've watched our tours before, you'll know that we usually save the best bedroom until last. But the great thing about this home is all of the bedrooms are pretty much the same size. So this is principal suite option number 1. There is another one that could also be the principal suite. So let us know in the comments below which one you would choose. This one has a nice big double bed. You've got space for a chest of drawers and a lovely outlook there, just looking across at the countryside views. And this one also comes with its ensuite. So let's go and check that out. As you'd expect from seeing the rest of the house, this bathroom is also finished to a very high standard. What's really nice as well is they brought the same kind of sage green colour into the ensuite and also the brass detailing. Very premium in here as well. So we've got that really cool mirror that turns the light on with just a touch. You've got a nice big spacious walk-in shower, and another premium finish is the tiling goes all the way up onto the walls. Back in the hallway now, let's go and explore bedroom number 2. This room is currently set up as a study and everything in here does come included. So everything you see is what you get. And I personally really love that office chair. Now this would work well as a study, you could keep it as it is, or if you did want the extra space, you could easily have this as a bedroom too. So if you do decide to keep the previous bedroom as a study, this room will end up being the smallest bedroom in the house. Now, that's not bad, is it, for the smallest bedroom? You can imagine your kids would be pretty pleased with this if it ended up being their room. You've got space for a nice big double bed, you've got some natural light coming in for the window, and there's also plenty of storage options just here behind me with this chest of drawers. But I think personally some nice built-in cabinetry would work well here. There's not an awful lot in here right now, but when you find out how much you could get this home for, there is plenty of opportunity for you to put your own mark on it. But anyways, I have saved the best bedroom until last, so follow me. Okay, there is one more room to show you before we show you the principal suite. This is your family bathroom. Such a great size. So this actually only serves 2 bedrooms if you were to keep one of the rooms as a study. In here, of course, they've gone for really premium details again. So from the wall-mounted toilet, you've got a nice big freestanding bath and also that very cool mirror that turns on with the tap of a button. If I was to own this home, this is the one I'd want as my bedroom. Love the design in here, and as I mentioned, everything does come included. It feels a little bit more spacious in here to me compared to the other bedrooms, and you've got space for a double bed, you've got bedside tables, you've got a nice chest of drawers there, so plenty of storage options, and I really like how there's some natural light coming through. This one does, of course, come with its own ensuite, finished to the exact same standard as the previous ones we've seen, so really premium finishes, and they've brought in that brass detailing too. But the best thing about this bedroom is just here. Okay, this is a pretty nice thing to wake up to in the morning. I've got the sunlight on my face and I'm looking out at the rolling countryside. Not a bad spot to be, and I can definitely see myself having my morning coffee out here. It's also so peaceful, it's so quiet and private out here, and that is exactly what you want in your bedroom. I did mention a tiny detail at the start that changes everything. And that tiny detail is that this home can be won for £1.99 through a competition with 7 days performance. So if you're feeling lucky and want to give it a go, all of the information will be in the description box below. So good luck and we'll see you in the next tour. If you want to live just 40 minutes from central London but still come home to a 5-bedroom family home in the countryside, this £1.4 million property might appeal to you.